In this lecture, we are going to see a demo for the React app, and the first step is installing React. Here, we are going to set up a project which gives us some additional features to make our life as a developer easier now, as there is a tool available to create such a project for us. It's called Create React App, and you can simply Google for it to find a link to its official GitHub repository. So, if you see, this is a GitHub page, as React is maintained by basically Facebook or a community around Facebook. So it's officially recommended tool for creating React projects on that GitHub page. You will find installation instructions and a detailed explanation about what it does and how it works. Feel free to read it, but of course you are going to learn all about that throughout this course. So let's start with the installation. What we have to do is that we need to install globally npm and node.js. so we are so what is npm? Npm is a simply node package manager, a tool which you automatically get while installing node.js, which makes it easy to manage as it is a third party package. You need to install node.js, which you can download and install from nodejs.org page, which is nodejs.org. Here you can download uh, based on the Windows, Mac or Linux, whatever operating system you are using. So now there you should pick the latest version. Of course, we only need Node.js to use its package manager, and also for this development survey, we will spun up which will be spun up for us automatically. Once you did finished installation, you should be able to run npm command on your machine. So let's do it together in the next step. Here I am in a directory called React directory in my D drive. It gives you that npm tool, npm install. Let us do that. Npm install create dash react dash app. You can install create react app using the npm package, and I'm going to do it globally, so you have to use -g, which will install it globally on your machine, so that you can use this command from anywhere on your machine. Now on your windows you can simply hit enter. On Mac and Linux you might need to add sudo in front of this. So if you hit enter and get a permission error, so you have to enter your password, and after that create react app should be installed. So now hit enter. Let us wait for the installation. So it has installed create react app globally. Now you can use this command to create a new project, and you do so by running create react app and then the name of your project, and of course you have to enter it into your folder which will be installed. So let's say our project name is first react app. Hit enter. So it is creating a new react app for us, and with all its dependencies will be maintained by this tool only. Let's wait for the installation to get over. Once this step once this step is finished of installation, you will see a bunch of commands which you can run. Here we have npm start, npm run build, and other commands also. So you can run npm start to start your project, and what this means is it starts a development server which opens a new tab in the browser. So what we have to do is open the directory in which our application or a new project is being installed. So if you see, this is our first React app, and if I open cmd here, I have to enter npm start. So this is running our project on the local host colon 3000, and this is the first project, first demo app that Will is created for you, which you can now edit by your own choice. Then, and the npm start process should be kept on running, so don't quit it. Let us wait for the project to open. As So this is our first project app, which is being created using create react app. And as long as your npm start is running at the backend, here here it is running a server. So it means whenever you change something in the code, this page will automate whenever you reload or reflect the latest changes, which is of course awesome. As soon as you are done developing, you can quit this. As long as you are developing this process, this process keeps on running. So to quit the server, you have to enter Control C, enter Y, then enter N. So our server has stopped running. So if I refresh my server again, so it will not be found. So that's all in this video. I hope you are able to install your React app with npm package and with a simple command, which is create React app and the name of your project. In the next lecture, we will dive into the code folder structure. So stay tuned. Thank you for watching.